It all starts off 49 years ago when I had this injury of my hand, and ever since my 3 fingers are numb because the nerve was cut. The motoric function came all back, but the feeling was never there. So when I pick up a piece of paper, I might lose it because I don't feel paper. Or like if I put money out of my purse, I wouldn't feel it. But that's for 49 years. And on, I think it was Wednesday, we did the first walking meditation. And in the beginning of the meditation, there is this where you straighten up, where you put your posture, how you feel. And I did this, and all of a sudden, my whole arm started to become kind of numb, like a nerve is compressed. And I was wondering for a second, my analytical mind was, oh, did I have something? No, that's okay in my neck. It's all okay. And it was just down in my hand. And I just kept on with the meditation, forgot about it. And finished the meditation. We all went back in, listened to Dr. Joe, and I noticed something's different. I had to feel all over the place because I couldn't believe it. This is something I could feel on maybe the seams of my trousers or something. The feeling came back. I went to the floor and had to feel because the feeling is there again. It's not 100% like on the other hand, but it's 90%. I can feel paper again. I can feel much more than ever before. I was focused on my future, how things will be in my future, how I would feel in my future, how I would walk in my future. I wasn't thinking about the hands or the arms or anything. I was thinking about my posture and my whole being, but this happened side effect, that's what I said. It's just like a side effect. It's just out of nothing, out of nowhere, just a side effect. I mean, I wasn't focusing on anything like this. After 49 years, it just came back.